light waves can either be reflected, absorbed, or refracted. Reflection would be as light bounces off of an object, say like a mirror, it reflects all light as it comes in. The law of reflection says the angle that the light wave comes in at is going to bounce off at the same angle with respect to what's called the normal. The normal is this imaginary line perpendicular to the mirror surface down here. So if it came in at a shallower angle, it bounced off at a shallower angle. If it came in like it's straight at 90 degrees, it would bounce off straight back at 90 degrees. So this is the law of reflection right here. Light can also be refracted. Refraction is when light doesn't bounce offward but goes through a material and bends. And the reason why it bends is because as density changes, like say this is a lens, out here the air has a different density than the lens does. And so when it hits the lens and changes density, it bends the light. And then while it's traveling through the lens, it's going straight this way. And then when it hits the air on the other side, it bends again and bends downward this way. So refraction is whenever it changes medium, it moves through something different. It's going to bend the light, and that's what you see right here with the pencil inside the glass of water. As it moves through this up here, there's no water, so it's going from the air through the glass into your eye. Here it's moving through the water through the glass into your eye. So there's different mediums between the top and the bottom that light has to pass through, and it's going to bend at different rates. The type of material it passes through determines how it does bend. And then absorption. We have different types of materials. We have opaque materials absorb light and reflect light as well. For instance, this blue cup, it's reflecting blue. Remember, white light when it comes in has all the colors, Roy G. Biv. And so when the white light hits it, it reflects the blue part of Roy G. Biv, but it's absorbing everything else. And so it looks blue to us. So that would be a case of opaque objects. Translucent objects are like this fogged glass over here, where light is passing through. You can see the lights on the other side here, but it's going to be a blur. It's been refracted. It's a blurry image behind it. You can see images, but you can't make out clear details. Shower curtains, fog, frosted glasses, like coming out of a freezer that's going to have a translucent look to them. Scotch tape, the clear tape that's got a foggy appearance to it. So that's translucent. And then transparent is a material that you can see clearly through to the other side, like this glass down here. Glass in your windows, those are going to be transparent materials. So light can be reflected, refracted, or absorbed. And in those processes as well, you can also have opaque objects which absorb some of that material. Some of it will be reflected as well. Translucent material, which allow the light to pass through, but distort the image. And then transparent, which allows it to go through without distorting the image at all.